happened, Sadness?
Oh no! They buzzed my hair.
The Disney girls buzzed your hair?
Yes.
Oh no! Come on, Sadness. They did? Oh goodness.
What should I do?
What should you do?
I don't know what I do.
What should you do? I think you should launch these silly girls for buzzing your hair. Don't you think so, Sadness?
Yes.
All right, let's get rid of these silly, angry Disney girls. Ready? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna get launched! We're gonna get launched! Oh no! Wow! We're gonna get launched! Oh no! Here we go! Woo!
I get that. I get it.
Sadness, they're gone. They're gone. They're disappeared.
Man.
They're out of here.
Oh man.
No more picking at Sadness and no more picking at the Inside Out characters. No more calling you names.
Oh no.
So I hope you feel good, Sadness.
I'm feeling better already.
All right. See, that's good for a sad girl to feel much better, right?
Yeah.
Okay.